Hello people, welcome back to this channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make money right on your smartphone. Alright, the thing I'm going to show you today is this one. This is Ogelle. This is the app. So the first thing you have to know is that this app, you can find it on Play Store and App Store if you are on iPhone. Okay, let me show you that how to download it. You type in, this is Ogelle. Alright, this is it. If you haven't installed it already, you can do that. Okay, let's launch that Ogelle app. This Ogelle is an opportunity for you to make money. Let me show you how. First thing you have to do is to log in or register if you haven't registered yet. But in this video I'm not going to do that. What I want to show you is this one. Let's open About Us. This Ogelle, you have to know that this is an African entertainment user-generated content platform. This is like YouTube for Africa. If you are in Africa or interested in African content, this is a good opportunity for you to make money in this year. Let me show you how. Ogelle Partner Program, OPP. This program is designed to help all African content creators monetize their content on ogelle.com. This Ogelle has two categories of partnership, and the reward programs are different. The category 1 is this Ogelle Single Creator Partner. The Single Creator Partnership is for African creative content creators who make one-off or different contents, not in seasonal forms and not frequently. Ogelle will monetize this content on individual basis and may not submit such content to our sponsorship program or pitch. Alright, let me show you without going into much details. For each content posted on Ogelle, you will receive $20 per 1,000 views. This is good money. Or $100 per 10,000 views, and $1,000 for 100,000 views, and $500 per 500,000 views, and $10,000 per 1 million views. Alright, the maximum payout for this, the first partnership program, is per 1 million views, where you get 10,000 US dollars. Alright, this is good money for you if you are in Africa or interested to do such good money posting this African content. This is an opportunity for you. Don't lose this opportunity. The second category that I'm going to show you, this is an elite partnership program for frequent content creators and celebrities. Alright, if you are a celebrity, maybe you can join this program. This is for celebrities who have at least 1 million of followers and above. This is for the celebrities that have at least 1 million followers and above to their social media platforms. For example, on your Instagram, if you have 1 million followers, on your Facebook page, I don't know, your Twitter, maybe you can join to this second category. For this second category, for this category of partnership, we pay slightly higher for views. They will pay you 6,000 for 500,000 views and 12,000 for 1 million views. This is much than money. This is great. Alright guys, if you are in Africa or just wanting to post the African content, this is an opportunity for you to make money. But one thing you have to know for this it is not quite easy to get these views because Ogelle is slightly new and YouTube is slightly popular in Africa than Ogelle. So you must know that you need to push into that. The first thing you have to know is that you must work hard in order to get that money, because contents are here but not many views. Let me show you, like, these are the videos. You can see this one, views, 9 views over 3 months ago, 7. Okay, let me go to trendings. Okay, you can see that in trending there is 1.4k views over 10 months ago. All right, and you can see that this is an African content. Let me go to categories. Categories have films, you have music, comedy, vacation, cuisine, lifestyle, community blog, and whatever and whatever. So guys, thank you. This is what I had for you today. If you feel like you can come to this platform and make money, this is a chance for you. But you have to keep in mind, this is African content. If you feel like you can do that, come and do that. You can see that you have also the premium content. That's for you. So guys, consider subscribing to this channel to get all the updates about how to make money and many things out there. Thank you. See you next time. Thank you. you.